Here's how you can use the new analyst to automatically tag and classify data in your spreadsheet and analyze it based on those tags. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to rows.com. After you do that, you need to add data to your spreadsheet. You can import the file or get data from one of our more than 50 integrations. But once you have the data in, you can start asking questions. So in this example, I have a data set of job titles and job roles. And you see that the titles are a little bit scattered, so they're not very standard, and I want to standardize that. So I can call the analyst and just say, classify the job titles into whatever we want, data scientist, ML engineer, data analyst, another, and we'll see that the analyst will use one of our unique formulas from rows with our OpenAI integration to automatically tag the data. You see that it added a new column. You can come here, you see job title classification, see that it used the classified OpenAI formula. So instead of manually having to tag all of this, it's just automatic, right? You can see tagged, some of them are data scientists, most of them other, data ML engineer, for example, here, AI scientist, ML. So it kind of automatically did this classification. And now I can use it to continue my analysis and ask questions. So I can say, what's the average and median salary per job classification? Okay. I'll ask this, it will understand the context that we just added this new column for job title classification, and it will summarize the analysis on a new table from the data set, right? You see, here it is, average salary, median salary, really simple, much simpler than you would have to do in another spreadsheet or manually. So here's the tip on how to use a new analyst.